Hi, I'm back. What if I told you the next big threat to K-drama isn't another streaming service? It's 2 minute video. Seriously, there's a new type of drama taking over people's phone. Vertical dramas. You know those videos you scroll, post, TikTok, Instagram or YouTube shorts. Now imagine that format but with an entire drama packed into it. And honestly, once you see how this app work, you will understand why traditional K-drama should be paying attention. Because a normal K-drama might spend an entire episode building up a relationship, a vertical drama, it might start with a millionaire discovering that his wife cheated on him in the first 10 seconds. No long introduction, no 5 minute establishing shots, no waiting until episode 6 for something interesting to happen. Just boom. Conflict, drama, revenge, and a cliffhanger. Then the episode ends. Then you have to watch the next one. That basically the secret behind act like real short and drama walks. Their episode can be only 1 or 2 minutes long and they're designing specifically for your phone. Vertical, fast, emotional, ridiculously addictive, and think about it. For waiting for your coffee, you watch an episode. It's you are on a train. Another episode, or lying in a bed at midnight, and suddenly you have watched 40 episodes. And here's where things get really interesting. People, these apps aren't necessarily trying to make pay a huge subscription fee. Instead, they give you a bunch of episodes for free. Then, when the story becomes impossible to stop watching, they put up a paywall. They put up a paywall. You want to know what happens? Buy some coins. And because each payment feels tiny, people can end up spending far more than they expected on one single story. That's completely different business model from traditional K-dramas. Netflix want you to pay for a monthly subscription. Traditional television relies heavily on advertising, but vertical drama apps, they basically treating drama like a mobile game. Get you hooked, give a little for free, create a cliffhanger, and then ask you to pay money. And this is where traditional K-dramas have problem. A big K-drama can take months to produce, huge cast, expensive locations, massive crew, million of dollar in production cost, and sometimes you still have to wait an entire week for the next episode. Meanwhile, a vertical drama can be produced much faster and released almost immediately. And the audience doesn't have to commit an hour. They only need 2 minutes. That might sound like a small difference, but for younger viewers, it could be massive because attention has changed. People have become comfortable watching stories while scrolling. So the question isn't really, are people still watching dramas? They are. The question is how much they are willing to give one story. The vertical drama companies have found an answer. Give them the story without asking for the time upfront. And the craziest part, this trend isn't staying in one country. Chinese short drama companies have been publishing this format internationally, adapting stories for audience around the world. And the Korean entertainment companies are experimenting with shorter formats too, because they know something important. If your audience is already watching stories vertical on their phone, they make them turn their phone sideways. And I think this is bigger than just another entertainment trend, because if vertical dramas continue growing, traditional K drama may not disappear, but they could become the premium version of television storytelling. Long K drama could become the cinematic experience, while vertical dramas become the fast food of entertainment. Cheap, fast, addictive, and available whenever you want. So next time you see one of these ridiculous 2-minute drama on your feed, don't immediately scroll past it, because you might actually be looking at the future of television. And honestly, the future is vertical. So that's for the video, and I also make the video about the top 10 actor actress of vertical dramas. Link will be there. Subscribe. Bye.